In this video, we will learn about covalent bond. So let us consider the formation of hydrogen molecule, which is H2, by the combination of two hydrogen atoms. So we know that ionic bond is formed when there is transfer of electrons. So can the two hydrogen atoms in hydrogen molecule be held by an ionic bond? Actually, it is not possible because both the combining atoms are identical. So they will be having same tendency to lose or gain electrons. So both the combining hydrogen atoms, they cannot acquire their nearest noble gas configuration by simultaneous gain and loss of one electron. So Lewis and Langmuir, they suggested that when both the atoms take part in chemical reaction or taking part in the chemical reaction, they are short of electron than the nearest inert gas. So in that case, they share their electrons in order to complete their duplet or octet. So the combining atoms, they acquire their nearest noble gas configuration by mutual sharing their valence electrons. So the bond formed by mutual and equal sharing of electrons between the combining atom is called covalent bond. So what happens in a covalent bond formation? Sharing of electron between the combining atom is mutual and equal, means the electron will be shared equally between the atoms. The shared pair of electrons, they will belong to the valence shell of both the atoms so that both of them can acquire stability, and the shared pair of electron, they act as a cementing force between the nuclei of the two combining atoms. So let us see the formation of hydrogen molecule. So we know that hydrogen, it has just one electron in its outermost shell. It will require one more electron to attain a duplet and acquire nearest noble gas configuration like that of helium. So a hydrogen atom shares its electron with other hydrogen atom, and the two hydrogen atoms, they are held by covalent bond in the hydrogen molecule. So here we can see that both the hydrogen have shared their electrons with each other and they have formed a hydrogen molecule. So this is the electron dot structure of the hydrogen molecule. So here we can show the shared electrons in this circle. Now if here we can see that one electron has been shared by each of the atom. So if the covalent bond is formed by sharing of one electron by each of the combining atoms, that is only one pair of electron is shared between the atoms, so it is called a single covalent bond or a single bond. And the single covalent bond is shown by a short line or a dash between the atoms, as we can see here, H and H. Now we can see some other examples of covalent bonds. So in chlorine molecule also, chlorine has a configuration 287. So now it has 7 electrons. So both the chlorine atoms, they require one electron to complete their octet. So no one can lose or gain the electron, but both of them can share their electrons. So the two combining atoms of chlorine, they share their electron with each other, and we can see the chlorine molecule is formed. So again, this is the electron dot structure, because in electron dot structure we don't have to make these shells and all, we just have to draw the dots, and the dots will be equal to the number of valence electron, means we just need to show the outermost electrons. And here this is the chlorine molecule. So here also they are combined by a single covalent bond because only one pair of electron is shared. Now in the oxygen molecule, here we can see that oxygen has the configuration 2, 6. Now it is short of 2 electrons to complete its octet. So the two oxygen atoms, they combine to form O2 molecule by sharing 2 electrons, and they will acquire the nearest noble gas configuration, that is neon. So here we can see that two pair of electrons are shared. So when two pair of electrons are shared, we will be calling this bond as a double covalent bond or a double bond. So it will be shown by two parallel lines. Similarly, in nitrogen molecule, it has the configuration 2, 5. So it has 5 valence electrons, but it needs 3 more to complete its octet. Now they have to share 3 electrons with each other in order to complete the octet. So each nitrogen atom shares 3 electron and 3 pair of electrons are shared. So we can say as 3 pair of electrons are shared between the two atoms, the covalent bond is known as the triple covalent bond. So there is a triple covalent bond in the nitrogen molecule, and it is shown by these three parallel lines. So I hope the formation of covalent bond is clear to you. Thank you.